Hey everyone, it's Brandon here with a dumbbell. Today I'm going to share with you guys a great 10-minute lunch break ab workout. The great thing about this workout is all you're going to need is an exercise mat, and you can do it in 10 minutes. And your goal today is to do as many rounds of the 3 exercises that I give you in 10 minutes. So we're going to get started. So the first exercise, we're going to lay on our back, have our legs up, and we're going to reach across the body. So I want you to do 50 reps on this exercise right here. So you're gonna reach across, try to reach up as high as you can. If you wanna make this exercise harder, split your legs and reach across. So you got 50 of these, and then make sure to keep breathing when you do this exercise. Now the second one, we're gonna have our feet on the ground, and we're gonna keep our arms straight and reach straight through our legs just like this. Get your upper back and shoulders off the ground. If it bothers your neck, then just have your hands behind your head and then just do regular crunches like that. So you're basically trying to feel this all right here in your upper abs. So keep your arms straight, reach up. You want to exhale on the way up and then inhale on the way down. Just like that. So after you guys get done with 20 reps on that one, the next exercise you're going to do are going to be V-ups. So when you do V-ups, I want you to have your arms straight right here, go up and down, and I just want you to do 10 V-ups. Now, if you can't do V-ups, because maybe it might bother your lower back, I want you to do leg lifts right here instead, where you have your hands underneath your butt, you keep your legs straight, and you go up and down. But otherwise, keep your arms straight, legs straight, go up together, down together. And just do 10 V-ups right there. If you think you can do more, feel free to do more. The whole point of this exercise is to do as many rounds as you can do in the 10 minutes. So try to take as minimal amount of breaks as possible so you really feel that burn in your abs. So hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this video. Please comment below. I'd love to get your feedback. Follow me on all my social media channels, and I'll see you guys next time.